Meet the Western Parotia, nature's very own breakdancer. Found only in the rainforests of New Guinea, this bird is famous for its mesmerizing courtship dance. But what makes it truly unique? Unlike other birds, the male performs a ballerina dance, fanning out 6 specialized feathers around its body to form a shimmering skirt. And check this out. It has special head plumes and can move its head like a robotic illusion, hypnotizing the female. Only the best dancers win a mate. So, in the world of birds, the Western Parotia is the ultimate performer. Would you give this dance a 10 out of 10? Drop a dance emoji in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and follow for more amazing nature facts.